Hey, it's Jason, and welcome back to Realeflow's update video. It's great to be back with you, and I'd like to start off by saying I hope that each and every one of you out there is doing well during these unprecedented times. In an effort to return to some sense of normalcy, combined with a huge recent update to our websites and the introduction of skip tracing, we thought we'd bring back the ever-popular update video.
Zoom edition, of course.
My shirts. Dude, it's mine, Mommy.
Guys, Daddy's working. Daddy's working.
The one thing I think we can all agree on is that we're all up to date when it comes to participating in Zoom calls. Here at Realeflow, we've been working remotely and relied heavily on these Zoom calls to keep lines of communication open and business moving forward. Now, after months of being on these calls, I started noticing certain characteristics start to emerge with others on the call. Types of Zoomers, if you will. So let's celebrate these individuals as I tell you about two amazing updates we've recently made to the Realeflow platform. First up, websites. We've totally rebuilt the websites in Realeflow from the ground up, changing the way you create, view, edit, and utilize these cornerstones of your real estate investing business. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me just, hold on. Can you see my screen? Wait, how about now? Wait, that's the wrong screen, hold on. There. The first thing you're gonna notice is that your websites are no longer in a list view, but are now in a card view, making identifying your sites easier, as well as providing basic information at a glance. Same for your purchased domains. Speaking of your domains, in the past, we have managed the domain records for our users. Now, we're allowing you to access the DNS info section within your Realeflow account. If you purchase your domain outside of Realeflow and you point the domain to us so your website displays, having access to DNS information will allow you to add any necessary records to get things like your business email set up. Of course, as always, our award-winning customer support team is here to help you if you need it. Now, back at the website's card view, you can view, edit, connect domains, and edit autoresponders by clicking here. We've also improved the way you create your websites. The first of which is being the introduction of subdomains. Now, subdomains allow your site to go live as soon as you create it. Visitors will be able to access your website via the subdomain, or you can just use it as a live test site while perfecting your content. However, it's recommended that you connect or purchase a primary domain. You can do this at a later time in the Domains tab. Now, here's where this update really shines. We've given you more control over every aspect of your websites by integrating with WordPress. Check this out. If you're not familiar with WordPress, don't fret. We'll walk you through the initial setups to get your website customized and tailored to you and your business, starting with selecting your theme. Simply select the theme that you like, and you'll be prompted through the setup process as you go. You can preview the available content packs before selecting the one that you want to use. This will install all the proper plugins and content used in this template. Here, you'll be given the option to review the knowledge base article in order to familiarize yourself with the new editor, or you can jump right in and start editing. On the main editing dashboard, you'll notice the in-depth menu toolbar here on the left. This is where you'll have total control over every aspect of your sites. Forms, CSS, appearance, and so much more all can be accessed here. While all these tools and options are extremely powerful, they can also be a little intimidating. So we've included this progress box for setting up your site. Simply run through the listed action items, and in no time at all, you'll have your customized website up and running. Common editing tasks are listed here in the Quick Actions panel. This provides shortcuts to walk you through the most used editing tools for maintaining your site. Things like creating blogs and managing menus can be achieved with just a couple clicks. You can also view your website from here, and of course, the knowledge base is always available if you need further assistance. For those more familiar with WordPress, feel free to explore all the powerful tools available to you in the side menu. As you can see, these updates in Realeflow make it easier than ever to get your websites up and running, while also providing you with more powerful tools for customization and functionality. This next update will make our already powerful suite of lead pipes tools much more effective for finding motivated sellers. Realeflow now offers the ability to track down phone numbers for your leads with a simple click of a button. Introducing skip tracing for both your contacts and your leads. To skip trace your contacts, simply select the contacts you'd like to skip trace and select the new Skip Trace button here on top. For leads, add the leads that you want to pursue to your My Leads tray. You'll notice the new Skip Trace button here along the top. By selecting it, you'll initiate a skip trace on these leads. Select how you'd like them delivered to you, agree to the terms and conditions, and place your order. Then, Realeflow will get to work, finding contact phone numbers for your leads. The cost for every phone number is just 10 cents per lead, and any unmatched leads will be credited back to your account.
Well, that's going to do it for this home version of the Realeflow update video. If you have any feedback or features that you'd like to see implemented into Realeflow, email them to brightideas@realeflow.com. Till next time, stay safe, and as always, happy investing. That was good. The potato, I think, was funny. It's a potato. That was good. I think I did it. I think I nailed it. They dig it. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling.